like human physiology, plant physiology, morphology, cell cycles, and diversity in living organisms. These are the topic which comes under the biology courses. So you have to simply you have to write all the topics name inside description of the courses. The next is title of the lesson or lesson name. Lesson name means you have to select which chapter you want to teach. For example, I wrote body fluid and circulation. This is the chapter which comes under the biology. So simply you have to write your lesson name. And now you have to create your lesson by choosing your images. That is PPT or handwritten notes, whatever you want to select. So after selecting the images, you have to create your lesson by explanation. So after completing the lesson, you have to write a description of the lesson. In description of the lesson, you have to write what topic were explained in this lesson. So you have to write the explanation topic in description of the lesson. So these are the process which you have to create 5 orientation lesson. So I hope you all understand the process how to create 5 orientation lesson. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.